Alright, so today I'm just going to make a quick video on these trucks' armrest not locking in. Obviously that's the issue. It's pretty simple. It's kind of a pain the first time you try to do it. Especially if you get to prying too hard, you're going to rip some cloth, stuff like that. But all I found, you just need a long flathead screwdriver. It's got kind of a thin point up here at the top. And if you peel this back enough, you can see that actual connecting rod in there. Inside of that rod, and when I take it off it'll be easier to show it, but inside of that rod there's a little clip. Inside of that rod there's a little clip. It's got a spring action on it. That's how you get this out. Probably why it wouldn't stay adjusted. Somebody had a bolt in it. But with these, it's supposed to be a clip.